Hello everyone, Selena here, founder of S Secrets and your go-to Ayurvedic-inspired hair care and honest kitchen-tested DIY. First, I want to extend from my heart a deepest thank you to every single one of you. Your support has carried us through this year, and I am profoundly grateful for the community we are building together. This year, your belief in our secrets has allowed us to grow, learn, and stay true to our values. Clean, natural, and organic ingredients that nourish your hair without compromise. Your engagement, comments, messages, and shares has inspired me to keep pushing creative boundaries, trying new Ayurvedic blends, and also sharing practical, accessible DIYs that you can try at home with things you already have. Consistency matters, and you have all shown up with kindness, curiosity, and a spirit of experimentation. Thank you for showing up today after day and video after video. This year has been especially challenging for me on a personal level. I lost my hero, my grandfather, and father figure, who will always stay in my thoughts. His legacy of strength, wisdom, and love lives on in everything I do, especially in the care I put into every product, every recipe, and every piece of content I share with you. Even in sorrow, I have felt your support lift me up. You reminded me that community is a beacon, a place where we can honor our loved ones by building something meaningful, beautiful, and useful for others. Looking ahead to 2026, a year of new beginnings and growth, as we step into 2026, I am embracing it as a year of fresh starts, renewed purpose, and deeper growth. Here's what I'm excited to bring you: more Ayurvedic inspired formulations that blend Asian wisdom with modern science, focusing on scalp health, nourishment, and hair fertility. Expanding DIY series with safe, affordable ingredients from your pantry, plus clear step-by-step guides so you can replicate results at home. Transparent conversations about clean beauty, sustainability, and mindful routines so you can make choices that feel right for you and the planet. Community driven projects, collaborations, recipes, viewer challenges, and opportunities to share your own hair journeys. To every subscriber, follower, customer, and friend, thank you so much for trusting us secrets with your hair care journey. Thank you for your patience as we grow and refine our products and content. Thank you for your consistency. Your encouragement fuels my creativity, fire, and keep up aiming higher. As we welcome 2026, I promise to keep showing up with authenticity, care, and the same commitment to clean, natural, and Ayurvedic inspired beauty. I will continue to honor the memory of my grandfather by living with integrity, courage, and a spirit of generosity, sharing what works, learning from what doesn't, and helping our community shine from roots to the tip. Years to new beginnings, to growth, and to a brighter, more radiant year ahead. With all my gratitude and love, Selina Zinchuk, founder of S Secrets.